Plants are amazing organisms that can create their own food through photosynthesis. But just like us, plants need to breathe. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But how do they do it? That's where stomata come in. We can see many leaf cells and stomata under the microscope. Each stoma is surrounded by 2 guard cells, and the small opening between these guard cells is the stoma. Take a close look at these stomata. You will notice that some are open while others are closed. When the stomata are open, carbon dioxide from the air enters the leaf, and oxygen produced during photosynthesis exits. The guard cells control this opening and closing to balance the plant's gas exchange needs and water conservation. The opening and closing of stomata are also influenced by environmental factors like light and humidity. In bright light, stomata open wider to take in more carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. In dry conditions, they close to prevent excessive water loss. Stomata are like the tiny lungs of a plant, essential for respiration and gas exchange. By regulating the flow of gases, they play a critical role in a plant's growth, survival, and the overall health of our planet's ecosystems. Plants regulate gas exchange, temperature, and water balance by adjusting the opening and closing of stomata. But how do animals manage gas exchange and regulate body temperature? Animals use their skin and respiratory systems for gas exchange and to regulate body temperature.